Kublai pi barong ipriang sobhai pi shakathop khubor min tagajan mit. Shaban pai shi khubor ngine pet choi ki mat ki bakongsan. Rakhi Diwali Umantri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi bat ki shipai ada ri Halepcha Himachal Pradesh. Ushonknor ka Rajya Sabha Ujagdeep Dhankar ulabatha badai ban pin sapryang bat pin mi ya kakai phot kabayade bat laitali kabil bathamai. Shajid uba Roy Kupar Syndrome ko President bathamai ka Hinyotrap Youth Council. Larakhe ka lenyam jong ka jingshai ni ka Diwali happening ka nyam ka rukom baipo iping. But UMLA ka AITC jong ka Raja Bala u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Khasi uladawa Banphia District Harilom Garo. Ki khubor ki babanya. Umantri Rangbadu kari Narendra Modi mentakasi ublay ulalit banrakhe ya ka lenyam Diwali bat ki shipai kari kabadon Halepcha Himachal Pradesh. Lingba ka jingtho balapalat ha social media umodi ulaong ba ulalit banrakhe ya ka Diwali bat ki shipai pahara kari kabashlur bat hakani ka jinglet jong u lalong shisha ka bapindap minsim bat kabasngaw sarong. Ulaong kini ki shipai ki lajngai na laki bahayeng hasem. Hinrei ki shipai pahara jong kari ki pinpho ikajing imjengi namar kajing IT lot jongki. Umantri Rangbadu kari ulaong ru kajing shlur jong kini ki shipai ada kalong ka bamla shu ban batay. Ulaong bakini ki shipai ki la bansyong hakajaka ba bah jingai na laki bahayeng ki lapai la kajing im bat IT lot yalade bat ai jing shngani ki breu.
अपेक्षाएं लगातार बढ़ रही है। ऐसे अहम समय में ये बहुत जरूरी है कि भारत की सीमाएं सुरक्षित रहें, देश में शांति का वातावरण बना रहे और इसमें आपकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। भारत तब तक सुरक्षित है जब तक इसकी सीमाओं पर हिमालय की तरह अटल और अड़ीग ये मेरे जांबाज साथी
Ushonknor ka Rajya Sabha Ujagdeep Dhankar ulabatha badai ban palat patba ya kakai phot halor ka bil bakintop ya ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 8000 arpholai ka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 8000 arpholai bat ka Bharatiya Saksha Bill 8000 arpholai. Ikini ki kai phot la ai the chairman jong katanat ka bayadei bat ka Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs Ubridge Lal ka jingthmu jong kini ki laitali ki bill ka long ban bujli ya ka Indian Penal Code khat praspa hnreu pho Code of Criminal Procedure khat khandai spa hnyo pholai but ka Indian Evidence Act khat praspa hnyo pho ar. Lawanra ekani hakayeng dorbar thau an ka Lok Sabha ha ubnai nailar mentau usnem. Ka Central Executive Committee bathamai jong Hinyotrap Youth Council kalalong ka bapin khre ban pin thlanya ka jing dawai ya ka jing pin tre kam ya ka ILP ka badang sa teng hadu menta. Banyo ya ka bha Basaw pusaw na ka shispa na kabinta ka pa Riulom Scheduled Tribe haki school ba jong ka sorkar pedeng. Banyakren ru yaki kam khapot bat kumjo banyakren shapang ka jingma jong udrok na pedeng kiwe kimat. Habayakren bat kinong tho khubor hadin ka jingmam smai jong kini ki dekhot ki badang sha jit thamai jong ka CEC u president ka seng HYC badang sha jit thamai uba Roy Kupar Syndrome ulaong bakalinti nangni shakmat jong ka seng kalong ka bae.
The main issues are ILP, of course. It's a long pending demands of our organization. Of course, we have been able to pressurize the government to pass the resolution, but we understand that resolution is only a way forward. The resolution is not the result that we want. What we want is that the state government should put its foot down and pressurize the central government, the MHA in particular, that the resolution that was passed by the state assembly, it should the central government should accept that resolution. So we know that it's a tough way ahead, but as our organization we think we understand that as a community. It has been a long fight for our community, even to get the resolution passed in the State Assembly. So it's been 2 or 3 years now since the resolution has passed, and the new CEC, once we sit during the first officially as the CEC, will decide our way forward.
Laraki akalet niam Diwali kabalong ka jing let niam jong ka jing shai. Laraki hakaleng ka benta jong kari hapreng ka jing ipo ipeng menta kasngi. Kani ka jing rakhe lapin pawi ka jing job jong ka jing bhai ka jing sniu. But laraki ka da ka bathangi ki jing shai ha ki yeng ki sem ki temple but jakapat ba. Ki briu ke let ru ban mani ki blaze pai ka Lakshmi hakane ka jing rakhe. Ka President kari ka Draupadi Murmu u Vice President u Jagdeep Dhankar but u Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi kila ai khublei ki nongshong shnong kari menta kasngi. Ka President kari lingba ka khubor bala palat ka loong ka Dipawali ka dei ka jing rakhe ya ka jing kmen but jing sngo but lale ya ka ne ban pin paw ya ka dak jong ka jing job ka jing sha ya ka jing dum ka jing bhai ka jing sniu but ka hok ya ka jing bam hok. Lapin long ka procession yu khares ba manlaw snem jong ka Shillong Archdiocese minta ka sngi ublay. Lapin long ka ni ka jing le niam ka bahe halay pra parish ha ka porman step lapin long ka mas bakhot ka jing yat procession jong ki reung Catholic class dang Calvary but yat surok dhan kiti. Ka surok Shillong Joy lat ungkra Don Bosco Square but pinkut pat ha Calvary. U President Burim kaseng Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC u Robert Kharjarin hinin kasngi satjan ulalet ban pinya so iladi but kaseng san hima jong ka United Democratic Party. Uba Kharjarin habayakren Shekilat Pathai Khubor ulaong ba udon kathong banyay bateng bantre na kabenta ka jing pinne pinsa banyada but bankintiu ya ka jilla but kibriu but menta hadin ba ulai no ya ka kamkum u President ka HYC. Ka jing thumu jong u ka long ba unyay beteng bantre ya ka thong jong u ling ba ka kamsan hima. Ulaong ru ba ka rukom tre kam jong u ka yahap bat kaseng UDP but ka day ru kaseng san hima ka balarim tam but ka balong ru kaseng riulom ka bahe but ka bayo ya ka jing shanya na kibriu.
Make sure that I contribute toward the protection, preservation and promote of the Hinyotrap people and the Meghalaya as a state as a whole. So with that same mission, with that same objective, as of now I have retired as a project group. So my intention is that to continue this mission forward, to take forward this mission which is there in my heart and in my mind through politics. Ideologically, I am very much inclined to the regional party. I am very much inclined to PDP, SDP and others party. So as of now, I am in Khasi. UDP is one of the regional party, biggest regional party in the state, who has earned a lot of trust and confidence from the people.
Karibho Youth Federation hinin kasngi kalapin kup burom ya arpho hendriungot ki khna school ki bapas bha haka examen SSLC but HSSLC balapin ya da ka embos menta usnam. Yakani ka program pin kup burom lapin long ha district library auditorium hall. Uba Vincent H. Pala MP na Shillong constituency ulalong ukonsan hakani ka program hakabalayadon ringkat lang bat u MLA ka nongpo uba Miralbon CM. U MLA ko umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo, u President ka RBYF u Bipul Thankyu bat kiway pat kinong yalam na Ribhoy District. Kini ki kena school ki bala sya pin kup burom kilayo pedang yakas sernot bat kapisa kum kadak ban pin shloreki bakin nang tre shitom shosho hakajing pule ka bakham shalor. Haba ai jingkren shiki kena school u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula ai mensi miki ban nang le bha ki jing pule jengki bat ula ai khuble ka RBYF halor kani ka program.
School, arts, science, commerce, kilayo 90%, 80%, kadaitan ka jinsda. Nang ne sakmat, kadai kata ka real education, lane kalentiyat ka basisya ka bakide banle. Kide bantre sistem kam jure susu. Tena kalian kejonga nga apil ya ka RBYF ro. Nakaway ka por sa kaway ka por. Kamtam LSA, live na isa ka final exams mo. ulara hilak banle ki kenja coaching kamtam ki bayalek matrik ki bayalek class 12 ki coaching centers kamtam ki kena jongi sport memory boy ni kamtelot kamas
Hinin kaski kawai ka kali kalai kendo ika jingja accident ha sabak muswang ha kaba kawai ka skuti ka batmu banlet syakli riat kalayat takho bat ka Mahindra Bolero pick up kabawan na persya jongka ha kani ka jingja unongnya jongka skuti ulamen saujur bat lapin bena ba ulaklat no ha kani hi ka jaka ya uni unongnya latip kerteng kum upin hoilang sayo nakashnong kle muchut shangpung Hababut din ya kani jingja lale ya barok ki jingdon kam bat ya kemet badangsa lakit no civil hospital Shillong. UMLA kaseng AITC na Raja Bala u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Khasi uladawa ban Pihak district no ikarilom garo. Habakdo baki brio ki hap banyat daki spa kilometer ban poi shakinong ba jangka West Garo Hills district Hatura u Dr. Khasi ula ong baka district bathamai kaban Pihak na ka West Garo Hills district kanyarap ikibrio hakatay ka jaka. Ula dawaru bandon no ilaka jangka district na Mahendraganj sha Tikrikila bat kintup ya ka constituency kum kasalsela Phulbari ba Rajabala ru kumjo. Ula ong hakabayade bat ka Sen jam jongka sarkar jilla ban pinjani ki breu bat ka sarkar kani ka jingdawa jingki patba kadiban pin urlong no kham kloy katpala
of that area, and I feel that government should really consider to create a separate district for that area. So keeping that in view, and there has been time and again there has been a lot of pressure and demand from the plain belt area to create a separate district for them. It is not exactly the plain belt of Meghalaya, it includes the hillside also. What I mean to say is from Mahendraganj to Tikrikila, that including that belt, I think there is a huge need of a district to bring the administration closer and to bring the development to the people. So time and again there has been demands from the NGOs, from the inhabitants of that area, and I feel that government should really consider to create a separate district for that area. If you consider from Tikrikila to Tura, it is around 110 kilometers. From Rajabala, it is around 70 to 80 kilometers. So, to go to the headquarters, to travel around 100 kilometers or odds, it becomes difficult.
Menteri Katanat ki Kambari u Dr. S. J. Shankar hinin kasgi ulami nalakari banlet jingo yakari UK. Daka jingtmu ban kmi biang yakibinta baper ki bedei bat ka jingete lok hapdeng kini artali kiri. Hakani ka jinglet jingo u Dr. J. Shankar un sipinlong yakajinge kren bat u Foreign Secretary u Sir James Cleverly bat un sa yakendo ru yakiwe ki he ki han u Menteri Katanat ki Kambari u laong bakajinge dei parlok hapdeng ka India bat ka UK kalasan bha bat ka don ru ka jinge dei ka bajan. Lapelat ya ka Comprehensive Strategic Partnership hapdeng ka India bat ka UK ha usnem 8,000 arphoi ringkat ka India UK roadmap 8,000 laipho. Mintapat nginipit ya kajinglong jingman kasunbening. Kajingshit kalong arhoi 0.1 degree Celsius but kajingkhet kalong khatway degree Celsius. Kajingskam kahaw kalong sanphoi na kashi spa menstep but nriupun na kashi spa janmit. Kasunbening kanrang habun ki jaka. Shoban poish kabakut jong kathuk khobor nginipit biang sa shisin ikimat ki bakongsan. Rakhe Diwali Menteri Rangbadu Kari Narendra Modi bat kishipai Yadari Halepcha Hai Himachal Pradesh Ushonknor ka Rajya Sabha Urajship Dhankar Ulabatha Badeiban Pin Sapyang bat Pinmi Ikikai Phot Kbedei bat Laitali ki Bil Bathamai Shajit Ubat Roy Kopar Syndrome Kum Uprastin Bathamai ka Hinyotrap Youth Council Larakhe ka jingle niam jong ka jingshai ni ka Diwali happening ka niam ka rukom ba ipo iping. But UMLA ka AITC jong ka Rajabala u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Khasi uladawa ban Pihak district hakarilom garo. Tiparlok katung ilapoi syakabukut jangka thup khobor menta ka janmit hadu bangin de syambyang la syai kasngi khublei shibun.